Okay, next we have Aquarius. Aquarius. What is the reading for Aquarius? Okay, Two of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Swords. The Star. Wow. And Nine of Swords. Okay. Okay. So, Six of Swords, Nine of Swords, Two of Swords, the Star. Okay. So, dito, Aquarius, as I can see here in your reading, bago matapos ang taon na to, may stress kang pagdadaanan, pero itulog mo lang to. Okay? Kailangan mo lang to itulog. Remember that you are the star. And you don't need to deal with this. Tignan mo itsura mo dito. Tignan mo paano niya tignan mga to. Okay? Ikaw to. Ito sila. Problema to lahat eh. Okay? Look at this oh. Nakita mo yan? Kita mo to? Mental health to. Okay? May problem. Then Two of Pentacles. Medyo problem din to. Pero you are the star. So, ang masasabi ko lang siguro, Aquarius, don't forget you are the star of your life. Okay? Don't forget to shine like a star. Kasi pag yun ang nawala, pag nawala yung shine ng star mo, wala. Ayan ka. Yan ang mangyayari sa'yo. Pero, again, it's still on you. Nasa sa'yo pa din naman yan. Kung gusto mong ganito, ang buhay mo bago matapos ang taon, or ito. All you need to do is to remember that you are the star. Para di ka makakang reading, katulad ni I forgot the zodiac. Yung kailangan niyang maalalang isa siyang Queen of Sword. If I'm not mistaken, si ano yon? Si Virgo. Okay? Baka may pagka-Virgo ka din. Okay? Kailangan Aquarius, tandaan mo na ano man ang pagdaanan mo sa life, dahil isa kang air sign. Okay? Dahil isa kang air sign, Aquarius. Parang hangin. Nilipas din yan. Dadaan, hindi natin nakikita, yes. Pero, nandyan yan. Okay? Same goes in life. Hindi naman laging perfect ang life. Hindi naman laging masaya. At di naman di palaging malungkot. So, kung ano man pagdaanan mo hindi maganda bago matapos ang taon na to, remember, you are still the star. And no matter what, you still shine bright like a star. Okay? So, ano bang message for life for you, Aquarius? I have faith in life. Wow, diba? Oh, you have faith in life lang daw, Aquarius. Ano man ang pagdaanan mo, have faith. Okay? Today, I give myself to life. I live in the here and now without concern for tomorrow because God is always near and will never let me fall. My faith surrounds me with light. No matter the circumstances, I let go. Have faith that life will always provide what is most beneficial for my soul. Oh, have faith. You are the star. Have faith, Aquarius. So, that's all your reading for today, Aquarius. And we'll see you again in our next reading. Bye!